Hey everyone, are you tired of plugging your phone into your car every single time just to use CarPlay? Those messy cables can really ruin a clean dashboard. Welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are checking out the best wireless CarPlay adapter that gives you true wireless freedom with fast response and stable performance on every drive. Let's get started. Up next is this powerful wireless CarPlay adapter designed to instantly transform your factory-wired CarPlay into a wireless experience. The moment you connect it, you notice how smooth and responsive it feels. It delivers instant play with near-zero delay, so your navigation, music, and calls stay perfectly in sync. No annoying lag when you switch songs or follow directions. The gold-plated USB connector improves signal quality, and the deep-seated design locks securely into place. Even on bumpy roads, you do not have to worry about random disconnections. Performance is another big highlight. This adapter uses a dual-core processor to keep everything running smoothly. Navigation updates quickly, calls sound clear, and data transfers up to 3 times faster than basic adapters. At the same time, it is engineered to prevent overheating. That means even on long drives, the connection stays stable and reliable without performance drops. Setup is refreshingly simple. Just plug the adapter into your car's USB-A or USB-C port, pair it once with your phone, and you are ready to go. After the first setup, it reconnects automatically in about 5 seconds every time you start your car. There are no extra apps to install, and you can keep your phone in your pocket or bag. It just works in the background, giving you seamless wireless CarPlay without any extra steps. The design also deserves attention. It has an ultra-compact body with a sleek carbon fiber style finish. It blends nicely with your car interior and removes the need for hanging cables. Your dashboard looks cleaner and more modern. Small detail, big difference. This adapter supports both CarPlay and Android Auto vehicles from 2016 and newer that come with factory-wired systems. It works with iPhone 6 and later as well as Android phones. The package includes both USB-A and USB-C adapters, so you can connect it easily to almost any setup. Just note that it is not designed for BMW or Tesla vehicles. Safety is built in as well. While driving, it intelligently restricts video playback apps like YouTube and Netflix to help you stay focused on the road. It is also FCC certified for safe and interference-free operation. Plus, you get access to ongoing firmware updates and 24-hour support, so the performance stays smooth over time. The result is true wireless freedom. You can control navigation, music, calls, and Siri voice commands using your car's touchscreen, knobs, or steering wheel controls. Everything feels natural and integrated, just without the cable. Here is the exciting part. If you are ready to clean up your dashboard and upgrade your driving experience, check the price link in the description. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart car and tech upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.